Hey everybody, I want to give you my honest review of these Jasonwell Magnetic Tiles, and I want to quickly go over what I liked about the product. The set comes with 60 magnetic tiles, which include squares, triangles, and other shapes. This variety lets kids build anything from simple towers to more complex structures like castles and animals. One of the first things I noticed is that the magnets are really strong. Once the pieces snap together, they stay connected, so structures hold up well and don't fall apart easily, even when moved. The tiles are made of high-quality ABS plastic, which means they can take a beating. The tiles have rounded edges and feel solid, which is important for younger kids who tend to be rough with the toys. It also comes with 4 magnetic animal figures and 20 stickers to customize the tiles. This adds a bit of fun for younger kids who love animals, and it's great for imaginative play. These tiles aren't just fun, they're great for learning too. They help kids develop motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and a better understanding of shapes and geometry. It's a STEM toy, so they're learning while they play. The colors are vibrant and eye-catching, and it's a nice touch that adds to the visual appeal of their creations. Since the tiles are magnetic, they stack together easily when playtime is over, and it makes cleanup quick and simple, which is a big plus for us parents. The set works well both for solo play and group play. Kids can use it on their own, but it's also great for sharing with friends or siblings and encourages teamwork and creativity. The set works for a wide range of kids from 3 to 10 years old, and it's a perfect gift.